Hello, this is Janice. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making Spam tacos. These tacos are so simple to make and quick, and they're very delicious. For this recipe, you will need corn tortillas, lettuce, cheddar cheese, tomatoes, and Spam. The first thing you do is cut the meat on a plate. And then pour some olive oil into your pan. Then you turn on the stove on medium-low heat. Let the oil sit for a little bit until it gets warmed up. Okay, now I will proceed. Once the olive oil is all nice and warm, we will pour the meat into the pan. Then you're going to cook it, stirring it occasionally until it gets golden brown. For 10 minutes. Okay, now the meat is all done. So now we're ready to make the tacos. We're going to scoop the Spam into our tortillas. Now for these tacos, I like to use 2 tortillas. But the reason for that is because it's more filling and so the tortilla doesn't tear apart. Now we put the meat on the tortillas. The next step would be the cheddar cheese. Then we put some tomatoes on your tacos. Then some lettuce. Okay. Then if you like salsa, you can put some salsa on your tacos. And there's the tacos. They're all ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you will enjoy my tacos. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time for more delicious meals and crocheting things. Thank you. Bye.